Here we have a nice looking dog breast that we are going to make, and it's going to be ducking delicious. So for today's video, I'm going to pan sear and then cook in the oven this nice looking dog breast. So after scorching the skin, we proceed to season it with salt and pepper. So and now on a medium heat pan, we're gonna proceed to cook this skin down first for a couple of minutes until you see that it gets a nice uh, crispy and brown color. Not that brown, you don't want a burger. And then after that, we'll sear the meat side and then put it back again on the skin down. We'll bring it to the oven to cook it for 7 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. So we go to the pan. You don't need oil or any butter, nothing. With the dog fat is enough to cook it. You can see all the dog fat coming out. See how we got the skin nice and crispy. Now we proceed to sear the meat side. Nice searing on it. Just sear. And then skin side down, we go to the oven. You follow me? Okay, and it goes to the oven at 390. Time. Cook time 7 minutes. The dog breast is now done cooking in the oven, and it's like cooking in a steak, so we need to let it rest for 5 minutes, because if we slice it now, all the juices are gonna come out rushing, so we don't want that. While we wait for the dog, today's beer. And yeah, gonna need a system to open this one. And yes, today's we have Bud Light, American favorite. And the best part of the video, testing time. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Looking good. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Today's beer, but like, I'm just making a joke.